There he go, right there. There goes the fin. I gotta get cast out to him. Trying to get something set up real quick for him, guys. I just spotted him. Let's see if we can get an early morning hookup. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on. Got him. Fish on, guys. What the hell that was? Take your time, take it. Don't force him, don't force him. Take your time, don't force him, don't force him. Fish on, guys. You got fish on. Woo. Today's your day, bro. Working, working, working. If you have to go over the line, go over the line, bro. Go over the line, go over the line, go over. Work it.
Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel again, guys. Bless up yourself. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Just remember to smash that thumbs up as soon as you enter, guys. Big up yourself. Today we're going to be going at some giant permit jack hunting again, guys. I'm not stopping till I hook up on one this week. I'm going to see what's up today. I was kind of iffy about it this morning, guys, but I'm still going to give it a shot anyways. Let's see what we can pick up this morning. I was out fishing last night. I hope you guys enjoyed that last video, guys. I was doing some snapper fishing and picked up a few snappers. Got our subscriber Christopher some snappers to bring home to him and his son. So bless up yourself, Christopher. Thank you for coming out with Jamaican shore fishing. Big up yourself all the time. Love the vibes that you came out. You were interested to learn, got your fishing license and everything. Congratulations on that, my brother. Wish more Jamaicans would go out there and push the effort to get their fishing license and to stay legal and the thing. Alright, guys, bless up yourself. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, you guys know the routine. We're not gonna waste a whole bunch of recording time on this. I come out and get bait all the time, and you have to get these fresh, guys. You can't get these like really old and stale and stuff like that. So what I try to do, try to get in here and get them out these little holes that they're in and chuck them in here. You see them, guys? This is what they look like. Sea eggs, sea urchins. So you got to spot them, and you got to find a spot that's clear that you can actually see them and just root them out of their hole real quick. The bigger they are, the better it is, guys. I try to pick up as much as I can before it gets rough or windy. I think I busted this one, but nope, I didn't. So this one was giving me a hard time to come out a while ago. Yeah, you got a whole bunch around here, guys. But stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna grab a few of these and we'll save some recording time. Bless up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. But I just came down and seen something disturbing up that side, guys. Somebody dumped a whole bunch of dead pigs from a meat shop on the old road. Oh my God, the stench. Holy shit, man. Guys are dumping garbage, all kinds of stuff all over the place, guys. This is ridiculous, man. That thing don't smell good, man. Yo, holy smokes, destroying our environments, guys. Come on. Wow, man. There he go, right there. There goes the fin. I gotta get cast out to him. Trying to get something set up real quick for him, guys. I just spotted him. Let's see if we can get an early morning hookup. See if I can get an early morning hookup, guys. I'm trying to hurry up. Don't stick myself and clear this sea egg so I can get it on the hook real quick. He's out there. I see him feeding, guys. Big ass too. Let's get him out there. All right, got that hooked on there. Let me get an alarm and get this line out there, because I seen him, guys. He's right off there someplace. I just want to drop in the vicinity where I see that fin. I seen him come up in the shallows right there in that whitewash.
Let me get this reel out to him. Right off there someplace I seen him, guys. Yeah, I was standing on this wall already and fish done pulled me off of this. Make sure I got this rod stand set properly, guys. So if he does hit that line, I think I just stuck myself one of these sea eggs, but it's all right. I seen him feeding off there just now. Let me get these next rods out. I just had to rush to get that rig out a while ago, and I got to tie up some more rigs just for permit. Just seen him come up there feeding just now, guys. Came way up into the shallows. Oh, whoa, holy smokes, I broke my rod tip, guys. Look at that. Damn, I don't know how that happened. Shit, I just lost the rod. Shit, not good. It's early morning. Cool, man, big up yourself, boss. There, same way, cool, no? Early morning, guys. So I seen a few permits feeding a while ago, and they're out here feeding. So I have the 3 lines set with sea eggs. So I'm set up. I'm just waiting for that pickup, something to just grab on. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. What I don't like is that little rod, the 7-footer, my GX2. I got it back from Norman, thank God. Last night was in the car and I just broke one of my other rods a while ago. And the rod, I don't know how the hell I broke the rod tip, guys. I just broke the tip and whatever. I just got to get a new rod. I got to get some new rods. 4 new rods I got to get, guys. So these like, they've been used a while. So a couple of years well, and the salt water just eating them up. And even though you wash them, the rust on them still, like, it just gets rusty at times, even after washing and drying them and hanging them. So the salt water content here is very high, and it is very corrosive, and it eats up a lot of stuff. So after using your gears out here especially, you got to wash them. All right, so stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. So I'm spotting them. They're around. They just haven't grabbed none of my lines yet. Once they grab, I'll know. Trust me on that, guys. The heat is on, the fight is on. So stay tuned for that, all right, guys? Guys, so I walked down a bit. I'm gonna cast out a few lures right here real quick on this wall, off the reef edge here, and see if I could probably get a jackfish or maybe a barra's attention. Hope I don't lose my spoon lure on these reefs, because I have to literally go out there and get it. So I'm just walking this wall and getting a few casts out and watching my line. I can't go really far, guys, because them fish are really powerful fish, and I got to be careful, extremely careful of what I'm doing, and not let this lure hit the bottom of the water. If not, I'm gonna find myself losing this lure. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna walk down here, get down a little bit, get a little bit closer. Watching my line, I'm walking down a bit to these shallows, to the grass, to see if I can possibly pick up a barrel on the spoon. But I got to be very cautious of what I'm doing, because the lines are back there, and that's a good half a block run. It's going to be a run, it's not going to be a walk, especially if it gets hooked up onto something. So I have to keep on monitoring that. Not only monitoring that, but just be cautious of what I do. Alright, so we're just down here in these shallows. Hopefully I don't get hitched up, that I got to go in the water, get my lure. And let's see what we can pick up here, guys. Whole bunch of grass down this side. I should be able to get a good cast across there. Yeah, guys, so I gotta be watching my line, yo. That's tricky. Look how far I am, guys. So I gotta be careful. Oh boy, I am messing with this right now, guys. Head down to my rod. Yeah, you got to be careful when casting in this. It's a lot of reef, and guys, I think I just got hit. Let me get this lawnmower. Line just flapped up on me, guys. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on. Got him. Fish on, guys. What the hell that was? Fish on, guys. Puffer fish, damn it. A damn puffer fish. He got me stuck. Damn it. Yeah, they're the only ones apart from, it's a big fella too. Alright, let's get him in. Alright, we gotta get that hook out. Friggin' puffer fish. I knew it. Shit. Yeah. Fuck. Tore the hook off. That's what I didn't want, guys. Son of a gun. Knew it. Let's get him up. You eat them?
You know, say that's something I love, but at the time,
You can have him if you want him.
no man, I have a cousin, I will find out for him. You want me, you tell him to come now.
Yeah.
Have that. Too much
Here,
work.
guys. Woo-hoo. Look at this bad boy. Huge puffer fish.
Sweet when you curry, you know.
Yeah, they eat good when they curry too. Nice fish. Alright, guys.
I'm just saying I want one today.
Now, let me grab him. Hey boy, behave yourself.
I'm not sure. You see, we normally hold him now. Just put him like this.
Yeah. But this I told you design for that, you see me?
Yeah, no.
In jaw chung your fuck. Yeah, see him there now. God damn. I ain't gonna eat it. I'm gonna let it go. Yeah, I'm gonna throw him back, guys. But I want to move him down away from my line. Let's get him back in. Yeah, he good. He good there now. Whew. I see me sea line slack up, you know.
Yeah.
I say you bugger you. Here, guys. Yeah, man. So, just got a puffer fish a while ago, guys. I'll let it go. I'm not gonna eat it, so made no sense. I'm gonna have to tie a whole new rig over now. Oh, busted up my rig. Too bad it wasn't one of those permit jacks. There was only two fish that was gonna eat that, either a puffer fish or it's gonna be a jack. See, this is what the puffer fish does. Their jaws are like friggin', they chomp everything off. So these guys pamper nothing. Let me tie back a rig real quick. As the fish is there, they're gonna grab. Yeah, these are the big hooks that I use, guys. Create a quick snell knot real quick. There you go. And then we get that loose end back through the loop to give it the double contact. Like that. You guys see that? Around the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wet. And pull. That's it. And we'll create the T-knot now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give my weight some distance on here. Yeah. Alright, rig back up again, guys. Drop another sea egg on here and send him out. Another one trimmed up real quick with Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Thank you guys for joining. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's get a big one up here. Let's get one of these big boys. Big boys. Yeah. Oh damn, I almost hurt myself. Try to get it off as best as you can, guys. Watch your fingers while doing it. You're gonna get pricked. Yeah guys, so stay tuned. Yeah guys, nothing after that puffer fish. So I'm just still sitting here waiting. Dane from Jamaican Shore Fishing is going to meet me here. So he should be here within the next hour, and I think I just spot a fish feeding. I think I just spot something just come up down there a while ago, coming this way. And if I'm right, it's right about down there someplace. I'll see it again if it comes up. But it's like when they're feeding, guys, they'll just come through unexpectedly. I know that last time I was here, one of the pickups was around 6 to 7 o'clock, and the next one was around 11 o'clock, and then the next one was 3 o'clock. So I guess these guys come through 3 times feeding for the day. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm trying to study them as much as I possibly can. And like I said, I seen one earlier this morning, and there's only 2 fish that bites on that kind of bait. The puffer fish and the permit jack, and I caught a pufferfish already on that same sea egg bait. Alright, so stay tuned guys, we're here trying to save a little bit of battery. I'm not going to keep it recording all the way through and have very long clips like I normally would do. So once something hooks on, snap the camera on, we at it. Alright, stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here. Piece of plastic in the water guys, I'm trying to get out, and so it don't get caught inside my line if I do hook a fish. So remove that out of the water so I don't get hooked up in my line in case anything. So always follow your mind. I logged down there. I heard Andre was here the other day and got hooked onto a big fish, and he ended up losing that fish because he was scared about going around that log. So debris in the water does create a problem for you when these jacks get hooked on, because they go left and right and all over the place. So stay tuned guys, we out here guys. Alright,
out here, battery on this camera is about to die. I'm about to switch up cameras in a bit too and get on the next camera, but I might just charge this in the vehicle real quick. I see Power with a power pack. I might just power up with him real quick and plug in so I can charge this camera for a little bit. But stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing, we outside, we just here doing our thing. Another subscriber that's here, he's throwing line and doing his thing same way. We got the 3 lines set up. Permit jack hunting, giant permit jack hunting guys, it's not easy, trust me, we're working it. So stay tuned guys, epic action out here today. Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here. Fishing here. Alright guys, listen up yourself, we're here doing some drop line fishing, giant permit jack hunting as we said before. So the other camera is dead, so I had to take it off and put it down to charge. So just here guys, got you guys on the tripod so I can keep my hands free, and I got 3 lines set, 2 with sea eggs and I got 1 with sea beef. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the sea beef, but it's the type thing that sticks on the rocks. You grab them off, you peel them out, and they hook them on, send it out. The reason why I did that is just in case I have a snapper running around in the middle or something. I have a Carolina rig set on it. I have an over-under rig on both these things. So stay tuned guys, we're definitely out here. Jamaican shore fishing, big up yourself, thank you guys for joining, and just stay tuned guys. All right, outside. Take your time, take it, don't force him, don't force him. Take your time, don't force him, don't force him. Fish on guys, we got fish on. Woo. Today's your day bro. Work him, work him, work him. If you have to go over the lines, go over the lines bro, go over the lines, go over the lines, go over, work it. That's it bro, get him bro, get him bro, work him bro. Just work him bro, work him, work him, work him. You're over this line, you know. You're crossway this line. Just work it, don't force it, don't force him bro, work it, take your time, work him. Work him. Start pumping, pump and wine, pump and wine, pump and wine. Tighten up drag, tighten up drag. Tighten up, alright. Oh, man!
Jesus!
Shit!
Oh my God! Tell about that. Tell about this, bro. Tell about this.
Well, how did that happen, bro? That line is no good. I think you got dry rotted line. You have to have dry rotted line. That's a 60-pound line. They're not supposed to break. Jaja God, dogs. Yo, guys, you just see that? Yo, damn! Shore fishing. The first big hookup of the day, guys. Oh my God, guys. Woo! Yo, bro, good shot, bro, good shot, bro. People, telling you this, I've been here all morning waiting. My dog's coming along here and he just hooked up. Yo, guys, you seen that line peel off? Yo, damn, I'm hoping you like. I'm ready to get the gaff, bro. I'm ready to get the gaff. Yo, that was a big fish, you know? That was a big fish. We've been hunting for him all morning, guys. You lost your weight? Don't worry, just come on. Let me tie up another rig here. Let me see where he break off at. I'm excited to see what broke, whether it was a leader line or it was the weight. The line itself? Jaja, guys. Oh my God, shore fishing. Yo, guys. Where did you drop your line? Oh, back down further? Oh shit, that means they're coming over there then. I lie and break. See there, see there. I lie and break. He chased you on something, bro. Look. The line broke. Alright, come on, let me string you back up. Come on, let's string you back up real quick. Come in, bro. Come in, come in, come in, come in. Quick. I'm gonna give you something on the top of your line that you won't break off again. This is what I do to protect my lines. You see these? Mm-hmm. I put a swivel on the motherfucker. Like this. I take it off of there. Mm-hmm. Run the swivel back here. Mm-hmm. Lock it back. Give me your main line. So what I do is like this, right? I'm gonna give you a big swivel on here. Hold it. I'm gonna give you a good tie. I think he's a tie that probably broke too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good day, brother.
Huh?
Good day.
That was a good friggin' hookup, bro. Hold up. Come in. Get you set up real quick. Come on. Get you back out quick, bro. Can't let you sit down, bro. If it's your day to catch fish, it's your day. I ain't hooked up on nothing, bro. Makes sense. One of us do.
Yeah.
Get back out there, bro. Come on, quick. Yeah, guys, so now, guys, damn, that was a hookup. Damn. But where you cast over there? Damn, guys. I was hoping he landed that fish, guys. That would have been freaking smash. Holy smoke. And I gave him a big hook earlier, guys. He has a very big hook on there.
man.
No, bro. Bro, you're not telling me that. Dane wanted me to go get the food. They're cooking down here. I don't know why the kids are swimming in this section, and there's a whole beach over there that they could swim at, but they choose to be on this side in the rocks. But it is what it is. We're gonna go down here, get some food, find out what's going on. Alright? Stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. Oi! How kind of comfortable seat in that? Oi! So at the beginning, I'm going to the beach in a clear spot to swim.
You send them on and come back and send them.
The end. Food.
Eh?
Food.
I food they want to stay close to?
Uncle Jerry, where you use fork or spoon?
It no matter, fork, spoon, it no matter. At the end, send me down here for food. Oh, you don't care you come?
Yeah.
Come here, you walk, come. Yeah, Mr. say you want to come.
Oh,
Come.
you know which army?
We up here. We are try catch something in the evening. They not bite yet, but we are try catch. Yeah, guys. So kids and family down here chilling, and we up there fishing. And some food was just cooked, and we're about to eat up here in a bit. So we're there. So guys, what are the adventures today? Stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.
Alright guys.
This is what's up on the seaside. Dane's right there eating. So we're there up on the seaside, guys. Just cooked some food and waiting on the next hookup. Stay tuned. Come on, Patrick,
Yeah.
spot one, guys.
Yeah, man. Pick him up, man.
Man, and tonight the ride the bandits I want to.
Yeah, man.
I want to get this something to survive.
Big one,
still,
that,
you know.
man.
Yeah, man, in there, man,
Yeah,
in
man,
there.
a big one, that, man.
We beat them out there for them, man. 3 bait out there for them. Just want them grab one hook.
I'm going to grab it. Because I need my vicinity here, so I'm going to grab one of them. Then I'm going to grab one of them. I want a big one, you know, China, man.
Yeah, man, I know how
Yeah,
them
man,
say,
I want a long spur come up outside,
Yeah, man, yeah,
man.
man.
Yeah, man, you know, see it, man.
Look like
See him there. See him there out there, sir.
Yeah?
Outside with the white there. Look out of the white there.
yeah.
No, man, you don't see it, man. Can you come up pretty big, you know? You out of the white there.
Do not let you ride them again. Can you make me nervous, look
Yeah,
wild.
A big sitting here up in the back there, man.
Yeah, man, I saw them come up, man.
Yeah, man.
I feel them time now. And start feed. And I tree fresh bait. Move your phone pan the here. I'm going to make a one bad step on your phone today.
You know, grab, man.
Everything done for me if my phone get fucking up.
And there, man.
Come up again, man.
A tree bait setting up a tree.
Good enough, good enough, eat and come up, you know. Watch out, watch out. I don't like now, okay, you know.
No, because he let to the direction with the yellow line there.
Yes, yes.
No, but the tree line set in a fan. So it's spread out.
Yeah, me understand. But I'm right the same there.
Alright, let's see what's up. Said you're gonna spot yellow line and grab it. If he grabs that, that'd be the greatest thing. Because that's the line that's gonna handle him the best.
I'm not seeing back.
I saw him come up earlier this morning and disappeared on me. I've been on here since this morning. Now it's 5 p.m.
Like he find food, he come up and chill and go back.
Yeah. And
After them big?
them big your fart.
Yes, sir.
Big figures, bro. Monster things. They're not small, bro.
Clay! Clay! Jeremy shirt! Jeremy shirt! Jeremy shirt!
Here, guys. Patrick just spotted something a while ago. I'm about to get up here and see what's up. See if I can spot them again. Me say one we run pan bridge in line
Big
earlier.
one that's from the bus to your line them.
Me say brother, a big old sitting brother there out there. Some monster. I don't know, look at fish. Playing with my feelings tonight, guys. They're coming up, they're feeding, but they haven't grabbed on none of my lines yet. Guys, so Dane is going home. Jamaican Shore Fishing Dane, and new addition to the Jamaican Shore Fishing family. And this is our new addition here, guys.
Yes.
This is,
We are out here.
yeah. We are out here. See, we start them off from the young guys, casting lines. So don't worry about it. Stay tuned for the next epic adventure. We are out here, guys. Bless up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing.